this is Balmeet pursuing event management course from Patsav Academy. I was doing an extensive research regarding event courses in Hyderabad and I finally met Sanobar ma'am at Patsav Academy. She has been very kind and patient enough to explain and clarify all my doubts regarding the course. The most important thing that attracted me was on-site visits that we get during the course itself to gain practical knowledge regarding the event industry overall. I immediately enrolled myself for the course, and after a month of the course that started, there was a lockdown. We were very apprehensive enough regarding the classes and how the course will go about. But then Ronnie sir and Sanobar ma'am came up with the idea of having online classes. It took us 2-3 classes to adjust for the audio video clarity and the network issues. But once we got the hang of it, the classes have been so smooth. In fact, the classes have been even more lively with an add of lot of laughter and sense of humor of Ronnie sir. I would like to include that Ronnie sir has 30 years of experience in this industry, which not only helps us to understand the industry, but how to be or grow in the industry is much more important that sir teaches us. And during this time of lockdown, the time has been used by Ronnie sir, Sanobar ma'am, and Patsav Academy to help us to prepare us during this time that we are all ready once the market is open. Plus, we are much more safer at home and saving a lot of time of traveling, and the classes are also adjusted according to students' timing also. I would like to really thank Ronnie sir and Sanobar ma'am for their patience and their teaching for us during this time, plus Academy for giving us this opportunity also. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pranita, student of Event Management course in PATSAP. I would like to share my experience with PATSAP. First, I'll start with my joining into PATSAP and taking up Event Management course. In the beginning, when I was joining PATSAP, I'm clueless about this line. I'm new even to the name of the course. Just with the thought of doing up something new, I've taken this. But now I'm able to have a very good knowledge about this course with Ronnie sir's support and guidance everywhere, and Sanoba ma'am's encouragement has been a great booster for us all the time. And one of the best things that we have here is on-sites. By attending on-site trainings, we can gain great knowledge by practically witnessing many things. And now in this lockdown and COVID time also, we are having our online classes regularly with not less to our normal classes with the same schedule and duration we are having it. It's been a great experience joining PATSAP and being here, and a very good learning experience first of all. I would like to thank Ronnie sir for being very supportive for us all the time. Thank you Sanobo ma'am, and thank you PATSAP.